my phone, type out your name, but never press call. I just stare at the screen.